ISKCON is being branded as a terrorist organization in Bangladesh and many Islamists wants to ban ISKCON. Is ISKCON a terrorist organization? Let's dive into the facts. ISKCON has been distributing free food to tens of thousands of poor people in Bangladesh over the years, and it includes so many Muslims. As you can see in the pictures given here, during natural disasters like floods and other unfortunate events like Corona, ISKCON has been at the forefront to help the people of Bangladesh. Countless poor Muslim men and women and children in Bangladesh have been fed by the ISKCON Food for Life program that distributes free vegetarian meals all over Bangladesh. ISKCON has never made distinction between people based on their faith or ethnicity or skin color or gender or social background when it comes to helping them in times of need. Several ISKCON temples in Bangladesh have been vandalized and devotees have been brutally attacked by Islamic terrorists. An ISKCON temple that organized iftar party for the Muslim Brothers was also attacked by the Islamic terrorist groups. The ISKCON temple in Dhaka was targeted by terrorists for an attack and was reported in the media. ISKCON temples in Pune, Delhi, Bangladesh, etc. were all reported to be targets for planned attacks by Islamic terror outfits. However, ISKCON continues its path of compassion and love towards all and happily serves food to Muslims around the world. In several ISKCON temples around the world, iftar parties have been held. Here you can see images of Muslims partaking in an iftar feast served by an ISKCON monk. Here are the images of poor Muslim brothers and sisters taking part in the ISKCON food distribution program in South India. Here, you can see ISKCON monks sharing the stage with their Muslim brothers in collaboration with a Muslim organization, Jamaata, in Trivandrum, South India. ISKCON has always maintained loving relationship with people of all faith, despite several of its temples having been attacked by terrorists. As a terrorist organization, is distributing free meals characteristic of a terrorist organization? Is helping the poor and the needy what terrorist organizations do? When ISKCON activities are being halted, when ISKCON temples are being attacked, that when ISKCON devotees are being harassed, it directly, negatively impacts the benefit that poor Muslims get from ISKCON's humanitarian activities. Banning ISKCON or attacking ISKCON temples simply mean that tens of thousands of Muslims who get fed by the ISKCON free food distribution program will no longer be benefited from this. ISKCON is an organization that is committed to world peace and upliftment of all mankind. Please spread the news and share this with everyone possible to let the world know about the humanitarian and peaceful activities of ISKCON. Let's unite to save this beautiful organization.